In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import your Etsy products and reviews into Squarespace. Now, this is particularly useful if you already have an established Etsy store. So what we're going to do is come into the back end of our website, select Pages, and then if you already have a store, you can click into that. If not, we're going to come down to the Not Linked section, click the plus icon, and then under Collections, choose Store. Select a start in layout, give our store a name, and if you click in, you'll see we start with some demo content. All we need to do to delete this is hover over, click the three dots, and select delete on all of these items. Now, if you already have a store in place, this will be your current product inventory. To add a new item, click the plus icon at the top, and in the top right hand corner, you will see Import from Etsy. So we're going to click here, click Get Started, and you'll see here it's going to ask you if you want to connect this to the shop you just set up or if you want to create a new one on your site. So basically a section just for Etsy products. So I'm going to connect it to the store we just set up. I'm going to start import. And you'll see here you will need to log into your Etsy account and grant access. And it's asking me to confirm my default currency because right now my website is in British pounds, but my Etsy products are in US dollars. So I'm going to select change to USD and confirm. And you'll see here all of my items now display as US dollars, but none of my products are showing. Well, if we go back out into Commerce and we go to Inventory, you'll see here my products are displayed. All of them have been imported from Etsy. If we come in here, we can see those. But the reason they're not showing is because they have missing files. Now, my products are digital products. Every time I've tried to import from Etsy, it has had this issue where I just have to click in, and it will import all of the information, all of the images, featured image, price, everything. I just need to click in and upload the file again. And once I've done that, it will display fine in my inventory and in my store. So once we've got our store all configured, we can pull it up into our main navigation, and you'll see here that it's pulled in my products, my categories, and all of the key information. Now I might want to play around with my store, make it look nice. The image sizing isn't perfect, but that's how you do it. Now to add product reviews, we're going to come back out into Pages, come back out into Home. We're going to select Commerce on our main navigation, scroll down to Product Reviews, and if we scroll all the way down, you'll see Imported and then an option to import your Etsy reviews. So we'll click here. Again, we will have to log in and import, grant access, and it will take a few moments to configure, but once that's done, you can select See Reviews. You'll see they appear at the top of your product page, and if we scroll down, they also appear at the bottom of your product page. So that's how you import products and reviews from Etsy into Squarespace. Hey, if you like this video, there's a good chance you'll also like this one.